Hey, good afternoon, Andy Farmer here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I'm going to do this video walkthrough for you today on this Chaparral 310 Signature. Apologize, we've got a blustery day here. It's cool, but very windy. So I hope that doesn't affect the audio. Got an aft-facing seat. This is electrically articulated. Slides out to a big sun pad. Take a look at the photos there. Got a cockpit salon table that is in. Kind of makes this dinette here. Boat is equipped with a hardtop. Wet bar. Got battery controls, breakers here. Storage here. Additional storage, designated spot for the trash can, which is accessed through here. Chaparral does a good job of storing, giving you a lot of storage. Carry-on cooler, flip-up bolsters here. Coming up to the helm, I've got a Garmin VHF there, Volvo Penta joystick. It's a windy day today and the current's ripping, and the joystick did great getting us into the dock. Clarion stereo, Lenco trim tabs with LED indicators. These are your engine displays. Either side, roughly 280 hours on the motors. Scroll back, get back, give you a straight on view. Yeah. And then check out the molded stairs. So you go up to the bow, 1, 2, 3 steps, handrails all the way up. Hatch slides forward, walks all the way to the berth. There is a sun pad that mounts to the rails up there. Got anchor windlass as well. The boat originally was equipped, as you can tell by these tracks, with an enclosure. The current owner does not have the enclosure. When he bought it, it wasn't there. There is a mooring cover, keeps everything wrapped up. So here I've got the bed and in the cabin I've got the berth set up for a bed. This is electric as well, so this cushion would flip down and you'd have a nice U-shaped seating in this area. You've got a TV that slides out on an electric mount as well, so if you're sitting in the salon across from the galley, you can watch TV, or if you're in the berth, you can watch TV. Sunscreen up there, fixed ports there, got an opening port here. Storage in these compartments here. Base for your salon table, which is stored underneath this cushion. Got storage underneath. Current owner keeps life jackets in there. Got storage in that mid berth. That's where I've got some cushions and stuff stored in there, but that does slide out and create a berth down there as well. Head. Here's your curtain for the head. Fiberglass step that goes down, and then vacuum flush system here. Got wood tread, some rubber inlays just for grip there. Coming back up, my camera is second to adjust for the light. Upholstery's in good shape. Got one little mark there, but that's really all that I see. Stitching's in good shape. No rips, tears, anything like that. Shine on everything. Guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it's been helpful. If you have any questions, give me a call. My cell, 910-264-4818. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.